Hello everyone. Today we will learn about loops in C sharps. So let's start with for loop. Now the syntax of for loop is for bracket open. Now first we declare and initialize the variable. Let's say I am declaring variable integer check. Integer check equals to 1. Now we will write some condition check less than equals to 5 and then increment decrement check plus plus curly bracket open. Now cw of console dot write line. So I am printing message hello world. Now let's run this program. One more thing, console dot read key. Console dot read key to display my screen. So you can see here it gives me output hello world 5 times. So that is what I want. I want it to print hello world 5 times. So I used for loop, and with the help of for loop I was able to print hello world 5 times. Now let's do the same thing by using while loop. So in place of for I am writing while bracket open. So you will just write condition in the bracket. And in main method, not in the inner body of loop, but in the main method you will initialize and declare variable integer check equals to 1. Now console dot write line hello world, that is what I want to print. Check plus plus. That's it. Now let's run this program. You see I get the same output by using while loop. Now let's do the same thing by using do while loop. So do, and the only difference between while loop and do while loop is that in while loop you write condition in the beginning, and in do while loop you write condition at the end. You can see here I'm writing while bracket open check less than equals to 5. semicolon to terminate, and that's it. Now again, let's run this program. So you can see each time I'm getting same output, just I am replacing loops. First I used for loop, then I move on to while loop, and now I used do while loop. Now let's understand for each loop. Now for each loop I'm writing an array. Double tap to get the format of for each loop. Now for each integer a in array, I've got an array of list of numbers, randomly choosing numbers 2 4 5 6 7. Now console dot write line a. Now let's see what I get in the output. Console dot read key to make a screen appear. Now you see I get randomly chosen numbers, the numbers that I have in the list. It is showing me in the output 2 4 5 6 7. So that is how we use loops to display different sorts of output. If we want a list of the numbers, multiple of numbers, we can use loops to perform it. So that is what I have today for you guys. Hope you like it. Please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time.